Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel Business by World. Please do subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. In this video, we're going to talk about the immense popularity of village food YouTube channels. Why are they so successful? What are the qualities of village food channels? And why do people love them? The first thing that comes to mind when we think of village food channels is the simplicity and authenticity of the food they prepare. There is something about cooking in a traditional way, using locally sourced ingredients, and without the use of fancy kitchen equipment that attracts viewers. Another aspect that makes village food channels stand out is the connection with the land and the seasons. Many village food channels show the process of growing and harvesting crops, which gives viewers a sense of where their food comes from. This connection with the land and the natural world is something that modern urban lifestyles often lack, making it even more appealing to viewers. The sense of community is also an essential element of village food channels. In many videos, we see people gathering around to share a meal or to help with the cooking. The communal aspect of cooking and eating together is something that has been lost in modern society, and village food channels provide a glimpse into a world where people come together to celebrate food and each other. Another quality of village food channels is the use of traditional cooking methods and equipment. Whether it's cooking on a clay stove, using a mortar and pestle, or grinding spices by hand, these traditional methods add to the authenticity of the food and make it more appealing to viewers. Lastly, village food channels often showcase the importance of family and sharing. Many videos feature families or friends cooking together, and the food is often served family style. This emphasis on sharing and coming together around a meal is something that resonates with viewers and is an essential aspect of many cultures worldwide. In conclusion, village food YouTube channels are successful because they offer viewers a glimpse into a simpler, more authentic way of life. The connection with the land, the use of traditional methods, the sense of community, and the emphasis on family and sharing all contribute to the appeal of these channels. Whether you're a foodie looking for new recipes or someone interested in learning about different cultures, village food channels are a great way to explore the world of food and connect with people from all over the globe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.